think you will get this. Hi everyone, this is Khil and you are welcome back to our channel Knowledge and Beauty. So guys, as you have already read the title, today we are going to share with you one another amazing step-by-step drawing and painting tutorial. Guess what? Yeah, your guessing is right. Today we are going to share with you how I have drawn and painted this Durga painting. Already I have created one short and I have asked you guys that if you want the full tutorial, as most of you guys asked me to upload the full tutorial, so this video is for you. From the lighter outline to the deeper painting, everything you will get here in this video. So this will be all in one video of how you can paint one Durga idol, and here it is. And the good things of this painting is that you need only some basic color. I think you only need 4 or 5 basic color to make this. Here I have used one canvas. If you want, you can use one paper also to draw this. Okay? And if you watch a lot of video of our channel, then you would know that how much I love to show you step-by-step drawing and painting. So obviously if I show you step-by-step drawing, there must be included some tips and tricks, and also it will be a little bit longer. And as you guys have already told me that you don't mind if this video would be little bit longer, so yeah, it is going to be little bit longer, but in every point I will explain the whole process to you guys. Okay? And I hope you enjoy that. So guys, as you can see here, I have used my 8 into 10 inch canvas, and by using ruler and pencil I am trying to divide it into 3 halves. Like vertically I have taken 6.6 centimeter, and I am just joining the both point, joining the upper and lower point of this 6.6 and then again 13.4 centimeter. Okay, and now in this side I have taken the point 8.4 inch and then again 8.4 inch, added 8.4 inch, that means 16.8 inch, and then again I will join the both point to get a straight line, not a straight line, to get 2 straight line. Okay, so like this ruler measurement my sketching will be improved, and I can get a small idea by this measurement, like where this Durga's face will be and where we have to put eyes, noses and lips. Like this you can see here I have only taken 1.9 centimeter. From there I will start the face of Goddess Durga, and you can see here everything is in some measurement. Okay, so in this nose you can take a point 7.4 when you are trying to draw the nose, and for the eyebrows also you can see that you have to take the same measurement, almost same measurement you have to take. Like that only you can draw these eyes. And if you are a beginner, then please use the ruler before drawing and make a point by using ruler, and then only you have to do the outer lighter sketching. Okay, so you can see here how I have doing the ear portion. So in this Goddess Durga, this ear portion will not be one ear, it will be like one earrings or one ornament, you can say. So in this video or in this drawing I will make this ornament as white, because most of the time we see in Goddess Durga that all of the ornaments are made of white and off-white. like that only we will do here. Every ornaments will be in white, off-white and grey. Nothing color will be added for ornaments except grey, off-white and white. So guys, you can see here, first of all I am giving the light outline by using pencil, so that whenever I will use color, that will not be that much messy, and if I got some outline, then easily I can paint them. For that only here I am doing the small outlining and the small design. Now painting part is done. Now the next thing is to coloring. So for the color of the face, first of all I will use light yellow where I need highlight, and where I need shadow, there I will use orange color, and somewhere I will use deep yellow where the shadow portion will not be that much sharpener. Okay, so where I need more shadow, there I will use orange color. Where I need less shadow, there I will use deep yellow color. For the lips I am using pink color. In the border portion I am using deep pink, and in the middle of the lips I am using light pink. Now for the hair, obviously I will use black. So you can see here I am using 000 brush and acrylic colors. You can do this painting by using pastel color also, otherwise oil color, everything you can use here to make a painting. See here how I have made the eyes of goddess Durga. Okay, so for the eyes I have used mostly 3 colors. One is black, then red and white. Okay, you can see now I am doing the neck portion and the chin portion. I am giving shadow by using orange and deep yellow. So that's it guys, like this only you have to color. Okay, so as I have already told you that I will use red color for the eyes also, so here I have used, you can see. Guys, let me know in the comment section how it was, how the vibes of it. Okay, so as I have already told you that I will use grey, off-white and white for the ornaments of goddess Durga. So here it is. I am using grey color to give some shadow, to give some detailing, to adding some value of the ornaments of goddess Durga. You can see here I am just doing small triangles so that it will looks good. And also you can see here, after that I will draw this straight line, and whenever this small circle present, this circle inside will be white. Okay, outside portion of the circle I will put grey color so that it will look much brighter and much bigger. Okay, that's it. So like this I will color everywhere in the ornaments of goddess Durga. If you have ready-made grey color, then you can use, but here I have used black and white in some proportion, and by doing that only I have received this grey color. Okay, so this was not a ready-made grey color, just I have made it. Okay, so that's it. Whenever I need some lighter grey color, then with this color I will only use a bit of white color, so it will be lighter. See, I am using here light grey color by using some white. Okay, and obviously I have to give some border, I have to highlight all the things so that these things will look brighter, because I love bright color. And here, as the ornaments of goddess Durga will not be colorful, so I have to make some color in between black and white, and by mixing some proportion of black and white I have to do many more color. So the only thing we can do is we have to mix this color proportion in different amount. Okay, like if sometimes you can use more black color, sometimes you can use less black color, more white color. By doing this, you can get many more colors in between black and white. Here's some music and watch this coloring method of Goddess Durga's ornaments. guys, see here how I have painted all over the Durga, and also by using only 5 basic color you can paint this masterpiece. So why don't you try this? I can promise you, if you can follow each and every step which I have shown you in this video, then obviously you can make it, even you can make much more better than this. So try now.
And yeah, here is the final product. You can see how much amazing is this, and if you also try this in this season, in this puja season, then also I know you can create this much more good than me. And also, if you follow the procedure, all you have to do only follow the procedure which I have already shown in this video, and obviously you could get this amazing final product. Okay, we have come to the end of the video, and guys, if you want to watch the step-by-step drawing and painting of Buddha, this one, then please click on the right side video. You can watch this. Thank you for watching. Stay happy, stay safe, and also keep smiling. Smiling is the best medicine in the world, and it's free. And also guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you subscribe my channel, then I feel much more energetic to draw something, to create something new. Yeah. So for me only, just give a subscribe, and also if you want, please share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next video.